Hello, Cobras. This video is going to cover how to search the new online catalog. We recently switched platforms, so we are now using Primo, and the catalog is going to function more or less the same, but it's definitely going to look a bit different from what you're used to. So if we start off here at the library.coker.edu website, you can scroll down to Catalog. You can click either one of these options here. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you to the Primo service. Now, as always, we do recommend that you sign in. Signing in is super, super important here, mostly because we do have options where you can request items now for us to pull and for you to pick up at the library. So in order to do that, and also in order to see whatever materials you have checked out, to check due dates, to request renewals, and also to see any kind of fines or anything like that that you may have. Signing in, you have to sign in to do that. And to sign in, it's super easy. You click that, it's going to take you to this login option. You just click Coker Students and Staff, and it's going to take you into the single sign-in. So it's going to be all the same information that you would use to log into anything that you log in at Coker. So you're just going to use that information. And then once that happens, you're logged in. And so you have access to your library card, which is going to show you your loans and your requests. It also saves search histories, so it's really useful. So to actually search the catalog, you would come up here to search anything. You could either start searching in there, or I would recommend doing the advanced search. And that way you have multiple areas that you can search there. You can also go straight to the Coker University catalog. So when you do that and you search in there, it's going to automatically start searching within our catalog. So this is all going to be stuff that is housed at the Coker library. And again, when you first do this, it's going to have everything. So it's going to offer books, videos, ebooks, any kind of material on this subject that we have, it is going to list here. And there are other ways that you can actually limit and refine those searches. You can come down here to resource type, and you can actually decide whether you want to look at the books, the videos, audio, conference proceedings, all that good stuff. So things you may not even, realize we had. We do have it listed down there. But let's say we're wanting to look for books related to Harry Potter, not so much the videos. You just click that, and it would refine the results to that specific type. So now every book that has any kind of relation to Harry Potter should be listed here in these results. So that's going to be where you're going to do that. Let's say you were only wanting to look at things that are available online, so maybe you're only wanting to look at ebooks. That would be where you would limit it by available online. And then all that's going to pop up are ebook options. Held by library, you don't really have to worry about that here because you are just searching specifically within our catalog section. But let's say you were doing just an all-around kind of Primo Discovery Service type search, where you would be looking at everything, including articles and all this other type of information. And also possibly holdings from other institutions, like through Pascal, then you may want to refine it by held by library, so that way you are only looking at things that are held within the Coker library. So now, as you can see, you have Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. It is available at our library in the juvenile collection, second floor. That is going to be your call number. You can stop right there and just go grab the book and do whatever. But if you wanted to actually request the book, and have us actually pull it for you and hold it at the front desk, or maybe they're maybe checked out and you're wanting to request it so that maybe when it's checked back in, you would be the first one to have access to the book. That would be where you would come down here under the Get It section. You would click that. We have a whole video on the request function, so please check that video out. It takes you into a little more detail on that. But this is also going to show you some of the other institutions that it's available at. So if it is checked out, maybe you could get it through Pascal as well. So you kind of look through there, and then you get all the record information down here at the bottom. So everything looks more or less the same once you really start digging into it. It's just the way that you have to access it slightly different with this platform, but it's pretty straightforward and not too difficult. But if it is a little difficult, do not feel bad about it. That is why we are here, and we are always more than happy to help you out. So please reach out to us, and we can walk you through any of this stuff. It's not always the easiest thing to do, so that's why we're here. I hope this video was helpful for you. As always, if you have any questions, ask a librarian. It's always a great thing to go to. We have chat options, and we also have email options. So thank you, and have a great day.